Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download and use Telegram on laptop. Friends, as we all know, Telegram is a messaging app like WhatsApp and we all have started using it as there are a lot of features available in it. We can use Telegram on our mobile phone as well as on our computer. So to install Telegram on your computer, you simply need to open your web browser. Here you need to open desktop.telegram.org. On this page, you need to click on Show All Platforms. Now, if you are using Windows 64-bit, then click here. For Windows 32-bit, click here to download. As you can see, download has started. It's a small software of 30 MB. After downloading, click on Open. Now here click on Run. After selecting language, click on OK. Now if you want, you can scan this QR code from Telegram app installed on your mobile phone, or to log in your Telegram desktop app using phone number, then click here. Now here you need to enter your number on which Telegram is already installed. After entering number, click on Next. Now Telegram will send code to your Telegram Messenger installed on your mobile phone. You need to enter that code and from here you can send messages. So friends, like this you can very easily install and use Telegram Messenger on your computer or laptop. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.